What is the difference between a backup and a restore? A backup is copying essential files to a separate location from the original, for example on a physical disk or external hard drive. A system restore is an automatic process your computer's operating system creates at various points in time that you can come back to if a problem occurs. For instance, if information on an important document has been updated and an application crash occurs, the restore will take you back to an earlier point in the document's history. Backups and restores sound quite similar. They both allow you to access lost data, but there are some key differences that separate the two. For instance, backups are not usually automatic, whereas restores are. However, through third-party backup services, you can automate the process of backups. Another key difference is the location of data. Restores only occur internally within your computer system, whereas backups are saved to an external location.